Oh, you can't be walking through my video like that with all that real estate. Alright, y'all, so we finally got done with the process of moisturizing my dreads. I'm gonna try to do this, I don't know, once every 2 months, I don't know, but comment down below if y'all. Thanks to shout out to my bae for actually rehydrating my dreads, and, you know what I'm saying, and promoting just hair growth, and you know what I'm saying, she put y'all on game. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. We're gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, make sure I go cop, make sure I go shop, man, the satin line beanies, you know what I'm saying? My hair is in like a little ponytail for this video. She gonna come in, you know what I'm saying? She gonna moisturize my dreads and stuff like that. I'm gonna be definitely giving y'all starter lock tips, you know what I'm saying? Like things, and this is like me, like from experience, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm not no dude who get his hair retwisted every two. You really just gotta watch my dread content to like know like where I'm coming from. You feel me? Like I go off of experience. I don't be out here just thinking I know everything and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? That's what this whole Up Next lifestyle journey is about. You feel me? So make sure I go pop, make sure I go shop. You can reveal the satin line beanie. So alright, there you go. Yeah, like I ain't been having no. See, that's the crazy part. You can do you. You can do you. That's the crazy part. I ain't been having. Not bad. I ain't been having no retwists, no nothing like that. You feel me? For like 3-4 months. You know, no haircut, no nothing, cause of these right here. You know what I'm saying? I shape up my beard and stuff. You know what I'm saying, on the occasions. You feel me? But I don't even like this. This is a lifesaver. You feel me? Like I came out with this like through the dread journey. You feel me? So like this is a dread journey product. You feel me? Everything I drop is gonna be up next level, up next quality. Cause you gotta live an up next lifestyle. You feel me?
Castor oil.
But yeah, so she using the pure castor oil. I don't even, you know what I'm saying, I don't even use product in my dreads, you feel me? But she mentioned how like she thought they was looking like a little dry, so you know what I'm saying, I was like, alright, cool. I took it in consideration. You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. Man. But I don't even be oiling up my dreads. I don't be tripping, bro. You feel me? I don't be tripping. I be wearing the Up Next satin line beanie, and I don't be tripping. I be getting to the Up Next lifestyle. You feel me? Y'all need to go copy. Y'all need to go shop. Right? If you can't be cussing in the video, you can't. I'm just playing. Thank you. Thank you very much. I believe Elvis stole it from Buddy. We still in all the sauce.
Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go out.
Hey, what you doing?
Okay. I gotta put the rest of his hair because mine won't start moving. That's just him.
Why gotta be my fault?
It's just you, so I'm not about to ask you to stop moving. Sometimes you just know your person. He like
Why
that.
gotta be my fault?
So I ain't even gonna make him try.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else tell me what to do. That's why I find my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, y'all, so we finally got done with the process of moisturizing my dreads. I'm gonna try to do this, I don't know, once every 2 months, I don't know, but comment down below if y'all, shout out to my bae for actually rehydrating my dreads, and you know what I'm saying, and promoting just hair growth, and you know what I'm saying, she put y'all on game how to make y'all hair grow faster too, so you feel me, so make sure I go subscribe to her channel for sure. Fana Kiera.
Fana Kiera.
I'll make sure I have it in the title